I would like to call upon next Swapnil Singh.
राष्ट्रभक्ति ले हृदय में हो खड़ा यदि देश सारा, राष्ट्रभक्ति ले हृदय में हो खड़ा यदि देश सारा, संकटों पर मात कर विजय हो यह राष्ट्र हमारा. My warm greetings to all the dignitaries present here. Today, I, Swapnil Singh, coming from a very historical city, Jodhpur, also known as Shiraz Hind, Uttar Pradesh, is going to put forward my views on the topic 75 golden years of Indian Constitution, a journey toward right, duty and progress. India commemorated a historical milestone, marking up the 75th anniversary of Indian Constitution on 26th of November 2024. We celebrate the 75 years of Indian Constitution, reflecting the progress we made and the duties that lies ahead. Although we became Republic on 26 January 1950, but final adoption of the Constitution took place on 26th of November 1949, and that's why the day is celebrated as a Constitution Day. 75 years is also a long time, particularly because in a study conducted by Professor Tom Ginsburg, he studied about all the written constitution and he concluded that the average lifetime of written constitution remained only for 17 years. So it is indeed that a country that is diverse and different in language, culture and religion had stood up for the constitution. So there must be something noble that made it reach here. So I would like to quote the lines of Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar. He said that we are the part of the independent India and will change from time to time and according to situation. So our constitution is not merely a book, rather it is life that is ruled by the laws. Now, the first abolition of the zamindari in 1951 to the most recent of 106th Amendment of the reservation of the seats for women in the Lok Sabha as well as the state assembly elections. Is this not the perfect example of what equality means, which is the very base of our Indian Constitution? As रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर said, मैंने स्वप्न देखा कि जीवन आनंद है, मैं जगा और पाया कि जीवन सेवा है, मैंने सेवा की और पाया कि सेवा ही आनंद है. So I would like to conclude. Let's contribute in all possible ways to our constitution to make it more vital and diverse. So I would like to conclude my speech by the sayings of Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं, भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं, यह एक जीता जागता राजपुरुष है. यह वंदन की धरती है, यह अभिनंदन की भूमि है, यह तर्पण की भूमि है, यह अर्पण की भूमि है. इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, इसका कण कण हमारे लिए शंकर है. हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए और मरेंगे तो इस भारत के लिए, और मरने के बाद हमारी अस्थियों को कोई कान लगाकर इन बहती गंगा में सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज सुनाई देगी, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय. जय हिंद, जय भारत.